There it is. Hang on tight. Yeah.
Safety's on.
Huh?
Safety's on. Okay. Yep, flip it all the way. There you go.
Not used to going that far around.
I know, you're like...
That actually holds on target pretty well.
Hang on, we got...
Uh-oh.
Quick. Yeah. There it is. There it is.
Jump it for the last match.
You can keep it down. If you feel it's getting high, stop.